this brush could change your life. What's up, everybody? Nick from Hawk Pro Detailing, Heber City, Utah. And I'm chilling. It's early in the morning, I'm tired. But I want to tell you about my new favorite carpet brush for dog hair. This is a game changer so far. I'm still testing it out, but I'm very excited. I want to talk to you today about a brush that I got in the carpet cleaning industry. A lot of you, if you've been following my channel for any length of time, know that I love to polish on a nice car, but I spent a lot of the wintertime researching the carpet cleaning industry, and I learned a lot about pH and proper ways to clean carpets. And if you're interested in all of that knowledge, click the link above right now. It's my playlist on just like how to learn to be an amazing carpet cleaner as an auto detailer. With that said, I want to tell you about the handy brush. Now, this is used in the carpet cleaning industry to kind of like groom carpets. Sometimes in spotting techniques, it's nice to have this handy brush around. But for me, it's the best mixture of a pet hair stone, like a pumice stone, right? A pumice stone that's gonna just really just kind of eat into these carpets. And then, you know, your rubber brush with those little bristles that help get pet hair out. Now, I have been doing a lot of interiors this winter, and I gotta tell you two things. One, the rubber glove method works, right? You can use the rubber glove method, pick up a lot of dog hair. Like, that definitely is a method that works. So I want you to remember that even if you don't have anything, rubber gloves are amazing. But what I love about this is, and I don't know if it's the brushes are broken in or what exactly, but it does a great job of getting the dirt and of getting the hair kind of in one fell swoop. Is it perfect? No, it's not perfect. But earlier I was just trying to blow things out with compressed air, and a lot of hair was sticking to the carpet still. And so I was like, well, what can improve that? And I started brushing, and with compressed air, it has enough oomph to actually be a brush, but for whatever reason, it's good at the hair too. So it's not as good at a pumice stone is at grinding into the fibers, but I feel like it's a safer complementary tool with like a compressed air or a vacuum, where you're able to just agitate and move at the same time. Agitate and move. And if I had a vacuum, I would just be vacuuming all this stuff up. It's not perfect, but I mean, you can kind of see how that carpet looks now. We haven't shampooed it or extracted. And just to give you a sense of what we started with, I don't know if you can see in there all of this dog hair. Sorry if this camera is shaky. I'm trying to go as slow and steady as I can to give you all a sense of this. So I'm just gonna go out to a wide shot in the hopes this is working. Anyway, it's a handy brush. I'm pretty sure it's under 10 bucks. Just another tool for your arsenal. It's kind of nice to play around with tools and toys in the detailing world. And so if you guys want to geek out on stuff, send me ideas to review. I really like this brush, and you know, just about being creative, you know, making the moment work for you. All right, guys, thanks so much for watching. We'll see you on the next video.